Today is Tuesday, January 7th, and this is another update on my progress, beating the S&P 500 along with Bill Ackman's Pershing Square holdings. I do make these videos every Tuesday and Sunday, so if you want to follow along, hit that subscribe button and let's get into it. These are going to be all of the position changes that I've made since my last update. I increased my positions in Welltower, Shopify, and Dave by 25% apiece, and then I increased the Nvidia position by 15%. I decided to make these moves just around 1 o'clock today after the market had already had a steady decline. At the time, I still had over 42% of my portfolio in cash, so I felt very confident adding to these positions today. And these are going to be all 11 of my current positions. Right now, my top 5 are Nvidia, Meta, Microsoft, PayPal, and Costco, and those account for 38.84% of my portfolio. My biggest winner right now is going to be Mind Medicine with a 13.74% gain. That only makes up 3.95% of my portfolio right now, and I don't think I'm going to add any more to it. The weighting started out at 3.5%, so if it goes up significantly from here, most likely I'll trim the profits and bring it back down to that 3.5. Right now I have 62.48% of my portfolio invested, which means I have 37.52 sitting in cash. It would take another down day like today in order for me to go ahead and reinvest more into my current positions. This is what the SPY chart is going to look like right now. You can see that the SPY price tried to get above the 15-day moving average, and it ultimately got rejected, so now the SPY price is below the 5-day, which is still below the 15, so definitely not a bullish signal. The last 3 times that the SPY price tried to get below this black support level, it ultimately bounced back off of it, but as you can see, the bounce off of it each time has gotten smaller and smaller, which just like the SPY price being below the 5-day and the 15-day is not a bullish signal. I do think that there's a pretty low probability that the SPY price is once again going to be able to bounce off of this black support level, which is the reason why I'm going to wait and hold off on reinvesting in any of my current positions, just in case of the event that the SPY price does fall below this black support level. Since Monday, Pershing Square has a gain of 0.75, my portfolio had a gain of 0.09, and the S&P 500 had a decline of 0.56, which brings us year to date. Pershing Square is at a gain of 1.19, my portfolio has a gain of 0.85, and the S&P 500 is at a gain of 0.1. That's going to do it for today. I do make these videos every Tuesday and Sunday, so if you want to follow along, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you on Sunday.